about how we want you all to join. Because, I'm sorry, you, sir?
Abbott Presby. My dad stopped you one night when you were walking along the street.
Oh,
in the middle of the
absolutely.
night.
He did.
I'd just like to hear your side of the story.
Absolutely. And let me tell you a very interesting thing about that. I wrote a letter of complaint about your father.
Yeah.
And usually I've been told, and my experience has been, that when you get a letter of complaint in Internal Affairs, they're supposed to investigate it. And let me tell you what, in my opinion, they do. Unless you're very credible, and this is a really sad thing. Some of my clients don't have a lot of money, and they have prior records. And those type of people, when they make a complaint about the police, even if it's valid, are treated horribly. They don't believe them. The only reason my complaint was treated credibly, in my opinion, is because I'm a lawyer. My record is clean as a whistle, and they couldn't find anything to say, oh, she's lying because of this. Oh, she's lying because of that. And I want you to tell you, your dad isn't the only one that stopped me and that's harassed me. And I wrote complaint letters about it, just for the record, and I'll tell you exactly what happened. My issue in this particular case was when Internal Affairs called me, and I asked them, I said, did Trooper Presby say anything in my letter was factually inaccurate? And they said, no. He said, you were telling the truth, that your letter is accurate. And that actually surprised me, because usually the first thing the police do is start attacking what you said in the letter as factually inaccurate. What happened is I was walking. I live on Warren Street in Concord, New Hampshire. I've lived there for 11 years. I am a diehard walker and runner. Unfortunately, I don't run the mileage that I used to run. I used to run 30 miles a week. Now, if I run 1 mile a week, I'm really doing good because I'm working way too many hours. But I was out walking one night, as I have for 11 years.
What time?
Probably 11, 12 o'clock at night.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And that's not unusual to you?
No, absolutely not. There are many people in this state.
And a rainy night?
On any night.
Oh, okay.
On any night. I have walked up and down that street for 11 years. I actually go further out in the country. I live on Warren Street. You go way into the country. You actually technically go into Hopkinton. I used to run 7 miles each way every day. Most of my law school professors and even judges and fellow colleagues used to make fun of me because I run and walk night and day. It's one way of getting exercise. I sometimes walk to the bank rather than having my secretary go to the bank. I'm just a millionaire. So absolutely, I was out that night. I was actually walking that night. I was not running because unfortunately I've been running, and I've been running is pretty difficult. But anyway, I was out walking by myself, minding my own business. I had a pink Galco fanny pack on. I have a credit card in there. I have my cell phone. I had my license to carry. Of course, I had a Glock 23. And I probably had a spare mag. Can't remember if I had a spare mag with me that night or not. And I was walking along. I have a little Walkman in my ears, MP3 player, minding my own business. And I saw a car coming towards me. And it's been my experience that sometimes, primarily during the day or the afternoon, you have occasional gentlemen that want to talk with you, no matter where you're at. I have no desire to talk with any of these gentlemen that might want to talk with me or invite me wherever they want to invite me. So I've learned to just keep your head down, you keep walking, you walk fast past them, and if they say anything, you just try and ignore them. And I thought I saw a car coming towards me with lights, and it was slowing down. And I thought, oh darn, some whacker's going to try and bug me. So I just kept walking. Well, because I had my head down, I didn't notice it was a police cruiser. And it was a police cruiser, and it turned on its lights. And I'm still walking because, of course, I've got my MP3 player turned up. Not that I'm real young, but I still turn my music up pretty loud. I'm not paying very close attention. And before I know it, this gentleman is grabbing my elbow, and he's saying stop or police or some such thing. What are you doing? Walking. Why are you walking? Because I like to walk. And my first thought is, why are you stopping me? Okay? I'm not doing anything. I'm on the side of the road. I'm walking clearly out of the way of traffic. And this isn't the first time that police have done this to me and other people. And the question is, if you just had an armed robbery in the area with a female suspect that fits me, that's one thing. But unless you have probable cause or reasonable suspicion, why are you stopping me?
How are they supposed to know that you didn't break down or something?
Well, if there was any vehicle on the road, you could have thought I broke down. But I'm walking into traffic, okay? And the bottom line is, once I say, I am fine, please let me go, because I repeatedly asked to be let go. And his thing is, where's your driver's license? And my answer is, I don't have one with me. it was just this incessant thing. If you get asked the same question 5 times, after the 3rd time I said, I've answered that question 3 times, my answer isn't going to change. I don't carry a driver's license with me when I'm out walking. Never do. Have no reason to have one with you. He continued to badger me. My cell phone, unfortunately, there's certain areas of Warren Street, the street I live in, there's no cell phone service. Had my cell phone been working, I was trying to call the Associated Press to get them out there to show them this is just another example of harassment. And unfortunately, my cell phone didn't work. Well, your father radioed in, and the interesting thing was, he kept saying, don't you have any form of identification with you? I said, I've told you what I have. I have my license to carry and I have a credit card. Those are the 2 things I have with me, my cell phone, you know. And as soon as he saw my license to carry, you have a weapon? Yeah. And the funny thing was, every step that happened to me, every step of the way, tactically was on sound. Of course, I properly and nicely said, of course, when a police officer gives you a direct order, unfortunately, be it lawful or unlawful, you have to comply with that order. You can challenge it later if it's unlawful, but you have to comply with it, and so I did. He laid my firearm on the trunk. He didn't drop the mag, he didn't clear the chamber, studying right next to me. So if I'm some horrible person because he's worried about killing the world, it's this far from me. He
It's
proceeds.
better than having it on you.
What's that?
Better than having it on you.
I didn't come for a discussion on a specific case.
Oh, sure, then I won't explain it, sorry.
I'm
Yeah.
not, and I'm interested in part of it, but I'm not interested in a case being tried here, frankly.
Okay, calm your hormones. Thank you.
I really find it very rude.
Yeah, okay.
I'm happy to answer any other questions that anyone has.
She has a right to speak.
Yeah, all right.
The other has one